Hello and welcome back to Universal English Learners. Today we have a beautiful and simple story for you, perfect for practicing your English listening and speaking skills. This story is about kindness, honesty, and humility, and how small good deeds can create a big difference in someone's life. And before we begin, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Every day we bring you simple stories like this one to help you learn English in a fun and easy way. All right, let's begin our story. The Baker Who Shared His Bread.
In a small town, there lived a baker named Tom. Every morning, Tom woke up before the sun rose. He walked to his little bakery on the corner of the street. He mixed flour, water, and salt. He shaped the dough with his hands. Then he placed the bread inside a hot oven. By sunrise, the smell of fresh bread filled the whole street. People walking to work would stop and smile. The smell of warm bread made everyone feel good, even on a busy morning. Tom's bakery was small and simple. He did not have a big shop like some other bakers in town. He did not have shiny signs or fancy decorations, but his bread was always fresh and his prices were always fair. He never charged more than people could pay. Every day, many customers came to his shop. Some were rich, some were poor. Tom treated all of them the same way. He greeted each person with a warm smile and kind words. He remembered their names. He asked about their families. To Tom, every customer was important, no matter how much money they had. One cold winter morning, an old woman walked into Tom's bakery. Her clothes were thin, and her hands were shaking from the cold. She looked at the bread on the shelf, but she did not have enough money to buy any. She said quietly, "I am sorry, I do not have enough money today." Tom looked at her kindly. Without saying much, he wrapped 2 warm loaves of bread and gave them to her. "Please take these," Tom said. "You can pay me another day when you are able." The old woman's eyes filled with tears. She thanked him many times and walked away holding the warm bread close to her chest. From that day, Tom began doing this often. Whenever someone could not afford bread, he would quietly give them a loaf without making them feel embarrassed. He never told anyone about it. He never asked for anything in return. He simply believed that sharing what he had was the right thing to do. Years passed. Tom's small bakery became well known, not because it was the biggest, but because people trusted him. Customers came from other neighborhoods too, just to buy bread from the honest baker who always treated people fairly. One day, a wealthy businessman named Mr. Harris came into Tom's bakery. He was visiting the town for business. He noticed how busy the small shop was, even though it looked simple and old. Mr. Harris asked Tom, "Why do so many people come to your shop? You do not advertise. You do not have a big building. What is your secret?" Tom smiled and answered, "I do not have a secret, sir. I only try to be honest and kind to everyone who walks through my door. I never think I am better than my customers, even when I have more bread than they can buy. I remember that everyone deserves respect, no matter their situation." Mr. Harris thought about this for a long time. He had many large businesses across the country, but he realized that in his big companies, workers and customers often felt unimportant. He decided that day to change how he treated the people who worked for him and bought from him. Before leaving, Mr. Harris offered Tom a large amount of money to open bigger bakeries across the country using Tom's name and recipes. It was a chance to become very rich and famous. Tom thought carefully. Then he said, "Thank you for this generous offer, sir, but I think I will stay here, in my small shop. This is where I can know my customers by name. This is where I can help my neighbors when they are in need. Money and fame are nice, but they are not why I bake bread every morning." Mr. Harris was surprised, but he respected Tom's answer. Before he left the town, he quietly arranged for a fund to be created. This fund would help other small bakers and shop owners nearby, so they could also help their communities, just like Tom did. Tom never asked for praise or reward. He simply continued his simple life, waking early, baking fresh bread, and treating every person with kindness and respect. He remained humble, even though people admired him deeply. Many years later, when Tom grew old, the people in the town still remembered him fondly. They told the story of the baker to their children and grandchildren. They said, "It does not matter how much you have, what matters is how you treat others, especially those who have less than you." Moral of the story: true greatness is not measured by wealth or fame, but by kindness, fairness, and humility towards others.